Welcome! In this video, we will explore the evolution of the web from its beginnings to its future projections, analyzing how it has transformed the educational process. We will discover how each version of the web has impacted the way we learn and teach. Join us on this journey. Evolution of the web. Web 1.0, 1989, was designed as a space for sharing informational resources. This version was static and primarily focused on delivering information from a server to a user. Websites were read-only, offering limited interaction, and users were passive consumers of content, which was the main limitation of this web. In education, Web 1.0 had a limited impact due to its static nature. It functioned primarily as a one-way channel of information. Educational institutions used it as a digital library where students and teachers could access information and resources but had little opportunity to engage with the content or collaborate with others. While it improved access to educational materials by making textbooks, research papers, and other resources available online, it did not significantly change the traditional teacher-centered model of education. Students were still largely passive recipients of information, mirroring the static web environment. Web 2.0, often referred to as the social web or read-write web, was introduced around 2004. It brought a fundamental shift from static web pages to dynamic, user-interactive experiences. This version of the web allowed users to not only consume information, but also contribute content through collaborative platforms. Despite its success, Web 2.0 had its limitations, such as privacy concerns, issues with user data control, and the monopolization of platforms by large tech companies. In the educational field, Web 2.0's social and collaborative nature empowered both teachers and learners to become active participants in the educational process. The rise of blogs, wikis, social media platforms, and collaborative tools like Google Docs transformed the classroom into a more dynamic and interactive space. Students could now engage in discussions, share knowledge, and work collaboratively on projects regardless of geographical location. This phase marked the birth of e-learning platforms and online courses, making education more accessible to a global audience. Teachers could create interactive lessons, give immediate feedback, and foster a more student-centered learning environment. The transition to Web 3.0, known as the semantic web, represented a jump in how the web understood and processed information. While Web 2.0 allowed for relational and interactive content, Web 3.0 brought meaning to that content. Launched in the late 2000s, the semantic web aimed to enhance the web's intelligence by enabling machines to understand, interpret, and use data more effectively. In the educational process, Web 3.0 has taken education a step further by offering personalized and adaptive learning experiences. The integration of AI, machine learning, and data analytics in Web 3.0 allows educational platforms to tailor content to individual learners' needs, preferences, and learning styles. For example, adaptive learning platforms can analyze student performance data and automatically adjust the difficulty level of exercises, or recommend resources to help students master specific concepts. This level of personalization has significantly improved student engagement and success rates. Web 3.0 also supports the creation of intelligent tutoring systems and virtual learning environments that offer real-time feedback, simulations, and immersive experiences, further enhancing the quality of education. Looking to the future, Web 4.0, sometimes called the symbiotic web or ubiquitous web, is expected to push the boundaries of web interaction even further. This next stage envisions a fully integrated, intelligent web where devices, applications, and people can communicate seamlessly. Web 4.0 is anticipated to merge the physical and digital worlds through the Internet of Things, IoT, augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and advanced AI. In Web 4.0, machines will become more proactive, learning from user behavior in real time and responding autonomously to needs, thereby creating a highly adaptive and responsive web experience. Although still in its early stages, Web 4.0 promises to offer unprecedented levels of convenience and interaction. However, it also raises ethical concerns about data privacy, machine autonomy, and the role of AI in human lives. As Web 4.0 begins to emerge, its potential impact on education is immense. Web 4.0 envisions a fully integrated learning environment where AI-driven systems, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, will create immersive and interactive educational experiences. The use of augmented and virtual reality tools can bring abstract concepts to life, allowing students to explore virtual ecosystems, historical events, or complex scientific processes in ways that were previously unimaginable. Additionally, AI-powered systems could eventually become autonomous learning companions, assisting students around the clock with complex problem-solving tasks and guiding them through their educational journeys. From its static beginnings to a highly interactive future, the web has revolutionized education. With each advancement, we have witnessed how digital technologies enhance accessibility, personalization, and interaction in learning. Let's continue exploring together the endless possibilities that technology offers for the education of tomorrow. See you next time!